YouTube? Ruben here, and today I am riding 3134 Los Angeles Metro. It's a 2010. I am riding 3140 on 3134, a 2010 NABI 31 LFW. It's a 30-footer. And today I am riding this bus from Colorado Boulevard and Raymond Avenue, and I'm taking this to Mendocino Street and Lake Avenue. Next stop is Colorado Boulevard and Los Robles Avenue. The next stop is Colorado Boulevard and Madison Avenue. We're going to be on Colorado Boulevard and we're going to turn left on Hill Avenue.
Stop requested. Please use rear exit. For your safety, watch your step when exiting the bus. Approaching Colorado and Oak Knoll.
The next stop is Colorado Boulevard and Oak Knoll Avenue.
Approaching Colorado and Lake. Approaching Colorado and Catalina, followed by Colorado and Wilson.
The next stop is Colorado Boulevard and Catalina Avenue.
Stop requested. Please use rear exit. For your safety, watch your step when exiting the bus.
moving on. We just dropped off a passenger. The next stop is Colorado Boulevard and Wilson Avenue, and that's the stop for Office Max.
Stop request. Please use rear exit. For your safety, watch your step when exiting the bus. Colorado and Chester.
The next stop is Colorado Boulevard and Chester Avenue, and that's the last stop for Colorado Boulevard, and we'll be moving on and make a. Actually, we're going to turn left on, and we're going to turn left on Hill Avenue. We're now approaching Colorado Boulevard and Chester Avenue. Right in front is the book alley right there, and also the Massage Plus company. Next stop is Colorado Boulevard and Hill Avenue, and that's a stop for Pasadena City College.
Approaching Hill and Colorado.
That is also the stop for Carl's Jr. and the Pasadena Conservatory of Music. And you also get a Chevron station there. Now turning left on Hill Avenue. The next stop is Walnut Street and Hill Avenue.
Approaching Walnut and Hill.
We're going to be on Hill Avenue, and we're going to turn right on Walnut Street.